This chicken stroganoff is on your table in 30 minutes and it's made with easily available ingredients. One pan, juicy chicken, and the silkiest cream sauce you've ever tasted. Let's go! Welcome back. I am Purnima and this is From Scratch with Purnima, where we make real food with real ingredients from scratch every single time. Today, chicken stroganoff. If you haven't heard of it, stroganoff is a classic Russian dish that's loved all over the world, and for good reason. It's rich, it's creamy, and it tastes like it took all day, but actually comes together in 30 minutes flat. What makes this version special? We're keeping it simple. Ingredients you already have at home. And we're building flavor from scratch at every single step. No shortcuts, no packets, no compromise. Alright, let's get into it. Cut your onions, mushrooms, and chicken as shown. Heat oil in your pan on high. We want it really hot. When the chicken hits the pan, you should hear that beautiful sizzle immediately. Do not overcrowd the pan. We are not steaming the chicken, we are searing it to lock in the juices. Now, here's what most people get wrong. Don't stir, don't move it. Let it sit for a minute or two until you get a nice golden crust on the bottom. That color is flavor. We are building depth here. Season the chicken cubes generously with salt, pepper, and Kashmiri red chilli powder. Traditionally, the recipe calls for paprika, but we are going to keep it simple and use readily available ingredients. Flip and give it another minute, then take the chicken out and set it aside. It doesn't need to be fully cooked at this stage, it will finish cooking in the sauce. In the same pan, keep all those brown bits from the chicken, lower the heat and add butter. Those bits at the bottom, liquid gold for your sauce. Don't touch them. Add your garlic, cook on medium until soft for 1 minute. Then add the onions and saute for about 3 minutes. Now the mushrooms. Add them in and let them release all moisture and then let that moisture evaporate. That's what brings out the earthy flavor of the mushrooms. When cooked right, chicken and mushrooms are a match made in heaven. Once they're golden, sprinkle in the flour. The flour will help in making the sauce thick and creamy. Stir through and cook for 1 full minute. Cooking out the flour is important to remove the raw taste of the flour. Now, before I show you the sauce, if you're making this tonight, save this video so you have it handy. And if you're new here, subscribe. We are cooking from scratch every single week. Now pour your chicken broth in. Stir to make sure there are no lumps. The sauce will start coming together right away. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens just slightly. Add Worcestershire sauce If you don't have it, add a little soy sauce or skip entirely. Add the chicken back in and those resting juices too. Don't waste a single drop of that flavor. Stir gently. Let everything simmer together on low for 3 to 4 minutes. The chicken will finish cooking and soak up all that flavor from the sauce. And here's the trick with the cream. Turn off the heat or take the pan off the heat for just a moment. Then add your cream and stir it in gently. Why off the heat? If cream hits a boiling pan, it can split and look creamy. This one small step keeps your sauce silky and smooth every single time. Traditionally, the recipe calls for sour cream, but sour cream isn't easily available in some countries, so I've used heavy cream mixed with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Trust me, it tastes just as good. Put it back on low heat and stir. Add dried thyme and parsley. If you don't make global recipes often, using dried herbs avoids wastage. Taste and adjust salt and pepper. Look at that sauce. Rich, silky, gorgeous. Now for a bonus recipe. Let's make a quick herb rice for our stroganoff. Heat some olive oil or butter in a pan. Throw in some dried herbs and spices. Add cooked aromatic rice. I'm using basmati. If you didn't add salt while cooking the rice, add it now. Mix and there you have an easy accompaniment for your beautiful stroganoff. And that's your chicken stroganoff with herbed rice. Rich sauce, tender chicken, and everything made from scratch, because that's how we do it here. Try this recipe and let me know. Did you go with fresh cream or sour cream? And what did you serve it with? Tell me in the comments. I love reading every single one. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely means so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're building a lovely little community of people who believe real food made from scratch is always worth it. I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking.